Let's welcome you to this amazing property we're gonna tour today, and the location of it is located in Amherstburg city, very close to Windsor, like only 25 minutes, and the location is great. There is a very close golf course and with a lot of trailers. So let's go and check it out from the inside.
Outside, like, it has a huge driveway, and there's three-car garage inside.
Yes.
That's attached to the house.
And I think the driveway fits up to 4 or 5 cars easily.
Easily, I think you can even up to 10 vehicles here.
Yes. So just like always, this is the first show for us. So we've never seen the house. We're gonna discover it all together with you guys. So this is the sitting area. The size is pretty good. This is the kitchen, an open concept to the kitchen, the style that usually lots of people like, and it is the new style. There's a lot of cabinets here. I like the colors of the backsplash and also the countertop that fits basically with the counters, with the cabinets colors, and also the walls on the
I see, like, it has a lot of cabinets and there's a lot of space left. So they have the dining area right here, but at the same time there's still a lot of place left.
Indeed, and I think this is a pantry here. Yes, it is.
Okay, so even more storage. It's the covered storage.
I prefer to have a pantry in every house, to be honest.
Sarah, what do we have here?
And here's probably a balcony. Look at the floor here. Look at the width. The texture is very soft. I'm not wearing socks, so I can feel it pretty well here.
It's really nice, and it's
Very
even
clean.
covered, so you can walk here like in any really weather. I think it has a very nice also like concrete place on this side, a nice backyard as well.
A nice fence on the sides. This is probably just a shed for storage.
A little shed here.
Yes.
So I can see the house is full of brick. I love the space and I love the colors. Here is very cozy.
Yes. Let's check out the bedrooms.
So on this side we have some bedrooms. We're gonna check them all later. On this side,
this is the master bedroom, probably. The size is pretty big. So we have a king bedroom here, and also here is just a small cabinet or a small vanity, and 2 side tables. This is the bathroom. You gotta see the bathroom. So we have a jacuzzi here, and we also have a shower, and this is the vanity.
Nice.
I love the colors of the vanity here, and also the countertop. It's so, it's so
Sarah,
cozy.
I noticed like the house is very clean. Like, it's not a brand new house like we usually show, but like this house is very clean and very taken care of.
It
looks
is
like
indeed.
new.
If you also notice the flooring here or everywhere in this house, you cannot really hear anything when you walk in on this wood flooring, and actually very soft. The texture is very soft and very clean. This is the walk-in closet
here. Walk-in closet, it's very good size as well.
A good size for two people.
So what do we have left?
Let's go and check the other bedrooms. I'm not sure how many bedrooms we have on this floor.
On this side we have also 2 bedrooms, right? Okay, so we have another bathroom right here.
Okay, so this is the second full bathroom on the main floor, with shower, vanity, and toilet. And this is also
some
a storage.
So you can see every place here has a lot of size, and even right here, this is
actually a pretty good size, and I think this is a queen bedroom, and you still have some area here to put a vanity or make an office.
And that is the 3rd bedroom, but we're not gonna be able to show it today. But it's the similar size to the other one.
This is the 3rd bedroom. Yes. And
so right now we also have a basement.
Yes, this is a storage, probably just like a closet here. Okay. This is the laundry. Okay, but you do have some storage here at the top.
And right here, we have the garage. Look at the amount of toys that we have here.
Oh, that's pretty amazing. They are vibing here.
Yeah. And what I like is that it has a 3-car garage, so 3 cars can go inside right here.
Yes.
So this is a full bathroom right here. Yes, so it has a vanity, toilet, and a tub on this side as well.
And I think that is a storage at the back, or is it a door that takes you to the living area?
You know what? Let's check it out. No, that's a storage.
Is it storage?
But the door
Okay,
looks
okay.
bigger than normal.
Because
that's
I've
why.
seen a living area here, so I thought maybe
And
that
the door is
goes-
bigger
it
than
takes you
normal.
there.
That's why maybe we thought like this. So let's see what we have here. Is that just a storage tube? That's more storage just underneath these stairs.
There's a lot of storages
A lot of
in this
storage. The
house.
house is big. There's a lot of size. Like you can convert this into 2 bedrooms or 1 big bedroom unit right here. You have a big living area on this side, big dining area. I think this place is more like for entertainment. Like here you can play cards. You can do a lot of stuff on this table.
Yes.
And here, this is just like a wet bar, but also you can convert it into a full kitchen if you like. Course.
And I actually like the countertop.
Granite on the top, nice
Granite,
seating
yes.
on this side, and you have a big window. So this is a ranch. Ranch usually have like a lower ceiling for the basement and less windows or smaller windows. This one have a nice big window right here, and also 1 big window in this bedroom. And you can see like we're walking very, very fine. Like the ceiling is very high for this house.
It's so comfy,
Oh, yeah.
and I think the size is very good for this.
It's a
for
good
this bedroom.
size. It's a good size bedroom. And again, like you can easily add another one right here and make it like 2 bedrooms.
Saif, I'm
basement.
so curious to know what is that door
So
for?
I'm thinking that this is the cold room. There you go.
And you are
That is
right.
The cold room.
Okay.
Cold room and sun pump. They're storing some wine here as well.
Oh, okay.
Perfect place.
They're probably hunters. They're doing a lot of activities in summertime. I think they are having a very, very good
this
time
is a very
in
nice
summertime.
place for entertainment. And
They are
fun
fishing,
parties.
hunting.
So this house listed for $899,000. So it's listed for a very good price. If you like the house, you can reach us out. Our number is going to be on the screen. And if you want to watch more tours like this, watch this video next.